Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorothy and this is Mom Unstuck. On today's video, I'm going to be talking to you if you're a millennial and sitting on the fence about whether to start a YouTube channel. Let's start by defining who a millennial is. A millennial is anyone who was born between the year 1981 to 1996. And I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel. Stay tuned. So, millennials, why should you consider starting a YouTube channel? Whether you are looking to express your creativity, to build a personal brand, or even carve out a new career path, YouTube is the platform with endless possibilities. So if you're a millennial and thinking about starting a YouTube channel and maybe feeling like it's too late, I will give you 5 reasons as to why this is the best time for you to start a YouTube channel. Reason number 1 why as a millennial you should consider starting a YouTube channel. So millennials are the generation that is known for their creativity and desire for self-expression. Starting a YouTube channel allows you to unleash your creativity, to share your voice and express yourself in ways that traditional media can always offer. So if you have that hidden talent that people always tell you, oh, you're so good for that, or you sing so well, you cook so well, or I admire how you raise your family, how you raise your children, how you homeschool, consider that as something that you could put out on YouTube that could benefit others and could also help you hone that skill and be good in your and express your talent to others. So YouTube provides a platform to showcase your talents and connects you with like-minded individuals around the world. Reason number 2 why you need to consider starting a YouTube channel as a millennial. It is for personal branding and networking opportunities. Millennials, we are known to be people who like to network. We are known to be people who are outspoken, and in this digital age, personal branding is more important than ever. By starting a YouTube channel, you have the opportunity to create a personal brand that reflects your values, your interests, and expertise. This can open up a world of networking opportunities, collaborations, and even potential career opportunities. So many millennials, as we have seen here on YouTube, have turned their YouTube channels into successful businesses and personal brands, showcasing the power and impact of this platform. Reason number 3 why as a millennial you should consider starting a YouTube channel. So with the rise of influencer marketing and online online content creation, YouTube has become a viable career option to many millennials. From ad revenue and affiliate marketing to sponsored content and product promotions, YouTube offers various monetization avenues for creators. By starting a YouTube channel, you could tap into the entrepreneurial spirit and turn your passion into a sustainable career. The potential for growth and success on YouTube is limitless, and yet, why? Again, you should consider starting a YouTube channel. And trust me, it is not too late. When I started my YouTube channel, I started in 2021, so I still consider myself a newbie on YouTube, but so far the experience has been great. I cannot believe how far I have come, even on personal growth level. I am more confident on camera. I am more free to express my thoughts, because YouTube for me is a great outlet to express my thought, especially as an immigrant living abroad. So find your niche if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, and find what works for you and put it out there. You might never know, you will never know, and you could be shocked to find out that your content is actually reaching people and transforming lives. So reason number 4 why you as a millennial should consider starting a YouTube channel. So as millennials, we are the generation driven by social causes and desire to make a positive impact. And YouTube provides a powerful platform to amplify your voice, to raise awareness on important issues and inspire change. By starting a YouTube channel, you have the opportunity to influence and inspire a global audience, sharing your values, your beliefs, and advocacies in meaningful and impactful ways. And therefore, that's another reason why you should consider starting your YouTube channel. Today, it's not too late. Okay, the 5th and final reason I would like to invite you and encourage you to start your YouTube channel. This has been my own personal experience. Like I said, since I started my channel in 2021, the goal for starting my channel, or what inspired me to start this channel, Mom Unstuck, is because at that time I was feeling stuck as a new mom. It was in the middle of the pandemic, and I just felt like I needed ways to express myself, to remember who I was, to just be out there and show and remind myself that I'm not just a mom. I was feeling so stuck at that time as a new mom to 2 children under 2, and I needed an outlet. I needed somewhere to express my thoughts. I needed to learn new skills, and YouTube has become such a resourceful opportunity for me to learn new skills, to find a new community, and to connect with people who can relate with the immigrant story, which has been what I have found valuable for me to share on this platform. So, and another thing, as a mom, as my children have grown and watched me do YouTube, they're interested in what I do. They want to know when I'm recording my videos. You know, when they're younger, I'd have to wait for them to sleep or something. But now they're invested. They want to know, Mommy, are you working on your video? Are you editing your video? Is your video ready to upload? And I find that to be very inspiring and even encouraging for them, because obviously their generation is going to be out here on the internet. This is their new career path that they could consider, you know. And I find it also because we create memories. Sometimes I record the things that we do together, and it's been a great opportunity to create memories. And after I upload my videos, they will be the first to want to watch my videos and see what topic. They're excited to know what topic I was talking about and all that. So for me, I also find it like as a form of legacy, something I can leave for my children to be looking back at, or to be inspired by if they ever chose to pursue this route in their life. So this has really been a great inspiration for me in starting a YouTube channel, and I just thought I should encourage you there, if you're watching and you're a millennial, reasons why you should consider starting a YouTube channel. And it's never too late. When I started in 2021, I thought it was too late already, and look at me now in 2024, still a newbie at Consider, with less than 500 subscribers. But hey, people's channels are popping up left, right, and center. So you might think that it's too late to start, or everyone's doing YouTube now, so it's so saturated, there is so much competition. But trust me when I say that your people will find you. You will be excited to know that there is people who want to hear the story that you have to tell, or the skill that you have learned and would like to share. You'll be surprised to find that people actually need it and will value it. You'll be excited to find that there's a new community out there. So don't be afraid to put yourself out there. And in a future video, if you'd like me to share the beginner things or tech, I'm not really a tech person, but I'd be happy to share the beginner steps as a YouTuber, what you need, the essential things you need to start a YouTube channel, which is probably 2 or 3 things. It's nothing much, and basic skills or basic apps that you can use to learn how to edit. And you'll be excited to know that you'll pick up new skills like editing and uploading videos. You are gonna be so good at this, and you'll be proud of yourself. And you have children, like if you have children like me, it will be something that you can also teach them in the future, or depending on how old they are. So if you have been contemplating about starting a YouTube channel, let these be a sign that you can start and it's not too late. Okay, so I'm gonna be ending the video here. And again, if you're a millennial, a parting shot I can give you is that starting a YouTube channel could be the gateway to a world of creativity, career opportunities, personal branding, and social impact. Don't underestimate the power of your voice and the impact you can make on the world through YouTube. It's time to unleash your potential. Share your story and make your mark on the digital landscape. Start your YouTube channel today. The world is waiting to hear from you. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel on Mom and Stack. Like this video and comment in the comment section if you found this video inspiring, if you feel encouraged or motivated to start your YouTube channel. And if you're a millennial or an immigrant living abroad and struggling to make friends, please watch this video up here. And if you are an immigrant living abroad and struggling with grief, the loss of a loved one while you're away, click on this video right here, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.